Hi, this is Justin Ball, the owner of HammerHead Showers, the leader in solid metal shower heads and accessories. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this old shower head using our solid metal rain shower head. The same with any shower head replacement. You'll start by removing the old shower head. So depending on how long the shower head's been on there, you may be able to remove it by hand, or if need be, you can use an adjustable wrench. Simply unthread the shower head, turning it in a counterclockwise motion. Once you have removed the old shower head, it's important to clean the threads of the shower arm. You want to remove any debris, any old Teflon tape, and inspect it to make sure that it's not corroded and that the threads are still in good shape. If the threads are damaged, then you may want to consider replacing the shower arm pipe. I like to use a microfiber cloth to clean the shower arm threads. It just picks up a lot of the grit and helps to remove the Teflon tape. So just give it a good wipe down. Now that you've cleaned your shower arm, it's time to apply new Teflon tape to provide a leak-free seal when installing your shower head. So just make sure that when you're applying the Teflon tape, you go in the same direction as you would when you attach your shower head. So in a clockwise motion. That way the Teflon tape doesn't unravel when you attach your shower head. Starting at the bottom, you'll work your way up the threads, giving it about 4 to 5 turns. And just tearing it away and smoothing out the Teflon tape. Now that we've applied new Teflon tape to seal the threads, we'll install the solid metal rain shower head. And this part is extremely easy. Inside of the brass connector is a pre-installed rubber washer to provide an extra level of seal. So we'll just go ahead and hand tighten this on, fastening it in a clockwise motion. Now that you've hand tightened the rain shower head down all the way, you can use an adjustable wrench to tighten down even further, but please use a cloth to protect the threads so you don't damage the finish when tightening it down. Now with your new rain shower head installed, it's time to run some water through it and test for leaks. So really there's only one area for a shower head to leak, and that's from the threaded fitting where it attaches to the shower arm. It's not leaking, but if it is, in your case, you can use an adjustable wrench to tighten it down further. And if that doesn't help, you may want to uninstall it, reapply more Teflon tape, and then install the shower head again. Thank you for checking us out at HammerHead Showers. We hope you enjoy your new solid metal rain shower head.